ChatGPT has a new feature that almost killed software and application development forever. In this video, I will show you how to develop dynamic and interactive apps using even the free plan of ChatGPT. After watching this video, you will develop apps right away even if you don't know how to write a single code. Let's start with a simple example. Create an interactive calculator with clickable buttons including numbers and the main 4 calculating operators. Make it nice looking and well formatted. Wait for a few seconds. That's it. We have 2 versions of the app, one inside ChatGPT itself, clickable and interactive, and another HTML web app ready to be deployed directly into your website. You can run it locally. As you can see, we didn't write a single word of code. Now, let's try a more advanced sample. Create an interactive payment calculator with sliders of loan amount and the period and interest rate, and it shows dynamically the monthly payment amount and interest payment amount. It created the HTML web file, but I want to use it directly inside ChatGPT. In this case, I would type a follow-up question, such as, "Okay, show me the result." And here it is, both active on the chat window and ready as downloadable web app. Now, try on your own and let me know if you encountered something strange or if you have any questions. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more on the way soon. Bye for now.